Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we got another episode of Head to Head for you guys. Now, I got Hunter with me today. This episode is gonna be our ambassadors. So what that is we run an ambassador program where you guys can, if you're an ambassador for Custom Offsets, you join the Custom Offsets team, refer your friends, hook people up with discount codes and stuff like that. You get a bunch of money back and points. It's a really cool program. If you guys are interested in checking that out, customoffsets.com/ambassador, you guys could become one. Also, wheels, tires, suspension, and accessories, customoffsets.com. And these hoodies, we both got our hoodie on. There's also a t-shirt. We're doing another giveaway. McKees suspension, axe wheels, amp tires. Goes to a great cause. Customoffsets.com/giveaway. First up, on the left is LOL Kelsie Who is her Instagram name. And Kelsie drives a 15 Silverado. Pull it up right here, a little before and after action. Look at that. Ooh. Dang, son. That's quite the transformation. Looks like the Archon Crown Series Victories. Can't tell like what lift she's on. So it looks like she had the build done, then she got it wrapped, which it looks like it's like a crazy like reflective purple like satin wrap. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I thought the same thing. Like if you see right here.
First picture.
I wonder if like based on how the sun's hitting, because you see the sun's coming in from this side.
Yeah.
So I think it changes it a little bit. So maybe some sort of like shift on the truck. But I mean, thing is pretty large. That is going to be the truck on the left. All right, so on the right, we got Project_Green Giant. He's got a cat eye, obviously in the green, but I dig this because it's like a darker green. He's got the green wheel lights, aftermarket front bumper. He's got train horns. It looks like he's got the 544s in the black and milled. Pretty high lift. I think, yeah, it's like a yellow for his accent color.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. Looks like a rough country lift. You got which one you picked? You got it?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1, clap. So I definitely dig Project Green Giants. I think he's got a lot more work into it as far as, bumpers and everything else, train horns, stuff like that. Personally, Kelsie is right up like my alley with the color. Obviously everyone knows that I love purple, and the choice of wheels, just the bigger setup and the crazy wrap, it just fits more me. It's literally pretty similar to what I did.
Yeah, I'm with you on that. I do like purple too. Something about that wheel setup with the wrap, it fits.
Yeah.
I don't know. There's something about it. It just really catches my eye and I like it, so.
All right, next up on the left, my boy Sam, 65_Sam. I love this truck. This thing's pretty cool. So he's got a 97 Chevy K2500 diesel, and this thing is green. I mean, the last one we thought was green. This is lime green. He's sitting on the Toyo Proxy tires, street tires, and he's also got, all right, so he's got the Low Pro Toyo Proxies. He's got the Archon Lincolns. A lot smaller setup. Full front end looks redone. The headlights look beautiful. The grille looks beautiful.
His headlights are sick though.
Yeah, I definitely dig the headlight change. It definitely freshened it up. And you can see right here, it looks like he...
oh, yeah, look at that.
Yep,
wow.
So it is paint. So he did paint the whole thing. Whether he painted the whole truck himself or if those photos of him painting were just of like, the fender flares and stuff like that. But nonetheless, super killer truck. All right, on the right, we got DirtyMax_Joe. Taking a look at his truck. This thing's sick. So it's Cat Eye Duramax. As you can see right there, he recently put the, maybe not, yeah. Pretty recently, he put the turbo spool through his passenger side headlight. Pretty insane. He's also got YouTube, taking a look at the setup. But yeah, so it looks, you see under the hood, he's got a bunch of work done. He's paint to match a bunch of stuff under the hood. You see he's got the hood stack, rolling coal out the hood, or like a beadlock KMC wheel. Looks like a small setup too, just to fit the like street feel that he's doing. Which is super cool because both these trucks are very street. I definitely dig the white and red as well, but I think his current setup pretty sick with the chrome beadlock.
Really gives it more of that street vibe.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. All right, you know which one you're picking? All right, 3, 2, 1, right. I definitely dig Sam's truck a lot, but the amount of work, they both have a ton of work put into them, but I think Dirty Max Joe with the custom, turbo out the headlight, how rowdy the truck is, and to see him out at like drag tracks and really pushing this thing to the limits, I think he definitely purposely built his truck you know, just right, just to fit his style and what he does. Super sick.
Yeah, I was gonna go, you know, same route. He's got a lot done. Not saying that Sam doesn't have a lot done to his, but Joe, for that cat eye, I mean, he put all performance in there. I mean, he looks like he did a reverse level or maybe even dropped it.
Yeah.
But it's literally like a drag truck, so that thing's gotta be pushing some serious power.
Yeah, absolutely. And he's got the track bars too to back
Yeah.
it to really hold up the axles. All right, next up on the left, we got Indominus _TRX_67. Looks like he's got a TRX Ram. All right, so it looks like his current setup is maybe stock suspension. I think he just got wheels. Maybe he's got a leveling kit, but with the Rams, obviously you can stuff some pretty decent wheel and tire packages. Looks like he uses his truck. He definitely likes to go mudding, take his truck out onto, looks like a beach here. He's got some woods, he's got mud holes, a bunch of stuff right there. A solid start to his nice turbo action. All right, on the right, we got PRJCT Silver Goat 93. Project Silver Goat 93. But like a little different spelling in there.
A little bit. I could see where he was going for that one.
Yeah, another very similar truck. It is another Ram. Looks like he's got some Archons. Yeah, he's got Archon Lincolns. He's got a pretty beefy setup as far as suspension goes. He does have horn blasters. Looks like he did some exhaust work. Looks like the front end is freshened up with that grill. The bumper looks new, but it's not paint to match yet. That's the thing with these, you never know the story. So I don't know if like there was an accident. I don't know if he just wanted a different bumper with like the light bar setup and just hasn't gotten around to painting it. But nonetheless, he's got some decal on the side. He's got some green rock lights. All right, 3, 2, 1, right. Let's shoot.
Just like the build better. Not saying that I don't like Anthony's truck because he actually like uses it. Not saying that Justin doesn't use his. I'm more of a tall, wide guy.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I'm in the same boat. I think that Anthony's is off to a great start, and it's definitely cool because, like I said, who knows? He probably daily drives this thing and still likes to enjoy it on the weekends. Is probably why it's purpose-built the way it is.
Yep.
But for my personal style, going to shows, going with big setups, I am going to take Justin's just because I really dig like the headlight, the whole front end work I really dig. Get that bumper paint to match and everything's gonna be looking really, really nice. All righty.
Okay.
Last round. Oh man, why'd they have to do this to me? All right, on the left is my boy, Dominic. That dirty Denali. Dom is sitting on 2014 Denali. He's sitting on some 22s, currently trying to go to 24s. The man does burnouts everywhere. He's got like no tire left, but just a super clean, super sick. I mean, this thing, the paint, he details for a living. So the paint is immaculate. It looks amazing. He gets pulled over for tint like every week or gets pulled over for how wide he is every week. But yeah, he's on some Archons. He's on some Fury tires. And I believe he's on a 4-inch lift currently, trying to go up to 6 inches in 24s. So, but I definitely dig the current setup.
Yeah, it's nice and bulldog-like.
Yeah.
He's low and wide.
And although it is the 4-inch, it's the coilover. So he's got the coilover setup. So it's not like he skimped out, you know, with just a small 4-inch and called it good. But yeah, he's got the rock lights. He's got the Fox coilover. And once again, like I said, 2214s, and he's sitting on 33-inch Furies. So definitely a sick truck. You can see the paint right there. It just looks amazing. I've heard many stories about Pennsylvania police not liking this truck. Oh man, my boy Dustin. They're gonna make this hard for me, man. All right, we got McKee _automotive_TS. So there's all of his tags. But yeah, there is his GMC sitting on some Fury tires, sitting on some Archons. So there's his stock truck. Before getting ready for Lifted Truck Nationals, GMC 2500, Fury wheels, all the wheel lights, all the rock lights, sitting on the Triumphs, which he actually, I think, really meshes super, super well with his truck. But there's a nice side shot of his truck as well. He's got the tint. Overall, pretty easy, nice clean build.
I don't know, this one is actually tough for me.
Why is it tough?
Tough because something about that setup, it fits. Those wheels, the chrome on the bumper not being color matched, it flows very, very well.
Right. I think this is an old photo too.
Still looks pretty damn good.
It does. I'm also torn. I've seen both these trucks in person. They're both nice setups. 3, 2, 1, left. Yeah, I gotta go with Dom's. Once again, they're both beautiful trucks. That was a really hard one. But in the end, I think I dig Dom's a lot more. Just the murder out feel, and it's just sick.
If I could pick both and like have it a tie, I would.
That's what we got for you guys on today's episode of Head to Head. Once again, if you guys ever want to be featured in one of these, the ambassador ones, you guys can become an ambassador, customoutfits.com/ambassador. Otherwise, you can add your truck to our gallery, customoutfits.com/add. If you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, or accessories, Custom Outfits.